Hello and welcome to number 9 Iandra Loop here in Carramar. Very happy to bring this property to the market. Just going to have a quick walk through. As you can see, really nicely finished at the front there with the rendering. It's an absolutely sensational frangipani out the front. Another look at that frangipani. Oof. Very, very nice. Okay, we're going to step on through the landing here into the formal dining and lounge room. What I do like about this property is that there is the option to sort of section it off into multiple living areas or wings of the house. This would probably be considered mum and dad's wing. As you can see, really nicely laid out, really nicely finished, practical. And you could have an office there if you preferred to. Obviously intended as a formal dining, but we'll step on through to the main room here. Again, really nicely finished with the wood floors. There he is. And as you can see, you've got your walk-in closet here, and then here he is again, and there's your ensuite. Head back on through to the main living hub here, and we've got the chef's kitchen on the left overlooking our lounge room, and then to the right we have the dining area. I'm just going to walk around the table here to give you a real understanding of the flow of the house. You really do have to come and see this. There is so much room. Built in 1999, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property sitting on 600 square meters of land, which is rare these days, as I'm sure you're aware. We're going to head through to the other side of the house. Now this is where the remaining bedrooms and bathrooms are. As I was saying, nice spacious bedroom number 2 here. Really does allow you to sort of section it off if you want the kids down this side of the house and not so much noise. I do like that it's got a bath. I do also like that it's floor to ceiling tiles. Always good to see. Head back on through to bedroom number 3 and 4. Again, built-in wardrobes there, wood floors. Just a really tidy, really practical use of space. And into the laundry. And that does open out onto the entertainment area and pool. We'll go to that in a little while to see our separate toilet. And again, you've got those floor to ceiling tiles. Really nicely finished, stepping on through to the outdoor area. Beautiful below ground sparkling pool there. And I do like the layout here. So if you are entertaining, you've always got a view over the kids in the pool. Pool fence is of a nice high quality there. Just does sort of maximize that space. We're going to head on through. You can see you've got your workshop shed there, and there's just so much room. Nice grassed area out there again. The kids are playing. You can imagine entertaining, having the family around and friends during the spring and summer months. Step into the shed here. Just so much room here out the back. All right, and they can fit up to 6 vehicles here if you like. But again, I think that probably the big key value to take from here is just that there's just so much opportunity for a family to grow and entertain. One last look as we walk through to that main sort of living hub. And there we go. So this will be open over the weekends. Do come and have a look. 0411 222 105 for all inquiries. I don't imagine that it will last too long.